Jungkook has always been the golden matinee of the Korean entertainment industry by fans. Overcoming many difficulties since his debut, he has now achieved remarkable successes with BTS, becoming the popular main vocal of the global boy group with a long list of awards at the age of 24. Let's take a look at Jungkook's glorious life through each year. Fans can be definitely confident that they have chosen the right person to stand. 16 years old, debuted in BTS, received the Rookie of the Year award. Jungkook's debut in BTS is like a predestined fate. After being eliminated from the audition at the age of 15, Jungkook was lucky to be noticed by K-pop entertainment agencies, including major companies like JYP. However, ignoring the appealing invitations, Jungkook chose to join an unknown company in Korea at that time, Big Hit Entertainment, simply because he was a fan of RM, BTS leader. After a year of joining, Jungkook officially made his debut as the youngest member of BTS in 2013. Although he was only 16 in 2013, he was selected to take an important position, the group's main vocal. Also, he always stands in the center during performances. At the 2013 Melon Music Awards, thanks to the debut single album Too Cool for School and mini album Oh Rule 2, BTS excellently received the Rookie of the Year award, the first prestigious award in the career of the 7 members. At 17 years old, nominated at MTV Europe Music Awards. In 2014, BTS was nominated for the Best Korean Artist category at the MTV Europe Music Awards. Thanks to their hard work and new exciting music colors, the Big Hit group being nominated has surprised everyone because they come from an average company. At 18 years old, had the first music show win in his career. BTS began to blow up when they released the album The Most Beautiful Moment in Life, Part 1 in 2015. With this album and the title song I Need You, BTS got their first music show win after 2 years of debut. At 19 years old, received the first Daesang in his career. In 2016, BTS was excellently given the Daesang Album of the Year award with the album The Most Beautiful Moment in Life, Young Forever at the Melon Music Awards. This was the first Daesang in BTS career and also a milestone that became a huge turning point later for BTS. 20 years old, together with BTS, created a historic victory at BBMAs, rocked the AMA stage. Overcoming many other strong nominees such as Justin Bieber, Ariana Grande, or Selena Gomez, the boy group from Big Hit excellently won the Top Social Artist category at the Billboard Music Awards in 2017. Thanks to this prestigious award, BTS officially became the first K-pop group and the second K-pop artist after Psy to win an award at the BBMAs, making Korean fans proud. Also in 2017, BTS made history when becoming the first K-pop group to perform at one of America's biggest awards, American Music Awards. The song DNA of BTS was a hit, swept various charts with countless achievements, and helped the group gain a large number of fans around the world. 21 years old, won #1 Billboard 200, received the Order of Korean Culture. BTS continues to prove their appeal in the international music market when excelling at #1 on the Billboard 200 chart after releasing the album Love Yourself, Tear in 2018. BTS is also the first K-pop artist to achieve this position in the US prestigious chart. According to Nielsen Music, Love Yourself, Tear recorded 135,000 album equivalent units in the United States in its first week of release. Also in 2018, BTS was honored to receive the Order of Korean Culture in a ceremony held at Olympic Hall in Seoul after finishing a 52-day tour in the US and Europe. At the same time, Jungkook became the youngest person in Korea to receive this medal. 22 years old, concert at Wembley sold out, honored to attend Grammy. In 2019, BTS held the stadium tour Love Yourself, Speak Yourself at a series of the second largest stadiums in the world. When the concert took place at Wembley Stadium with a capacity of up to 90,000 spectators, tickets were quickly sold out after only 90 minutes of opening. This shows that the attraction of the 7 guys in the Western market was really terrific. Not stopping there, also in 2019, BTS was honored to be a guest at the world's most prestigious music award ceremony, Grammy. Although only attending as an award presenter, BTS still became the hottest focus of this cult event. 23 years old, #1 Billboard Hot 100, Grammy nominated. After Dynamite and Savage Love, Life Goes On is the third song in 2020 by BTS that won the #1 position in the Billboard Hot 100. This is also the first song sung mainly in Korean to reach #1 in the history of this chart. Not stopping there, in November 2020, the US National Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences announced the official nominations for the 2021 Grammy Awards. Notably, BTS excelled as the first K-pop group to be nominated in the Best Pop Duo Group Performance category thanks to the hit Dynamite. Although BTS was unable to win the 2021 Grammy, this event made Korean fans proud. This is also considered a memorable milestone in the music career of the 7 HYBE guys. Most recently, on September 14, just a few days after turning 24 years old, Jungkook and BTS were honored to receive a letter of appointment from the President of Korea, Moon Jae-in, as Special Envoy for Public Diplomacy. He is also the youngest person to receive a Korean diplomatic passport up to the present time. As the President's Special Envoy for Future Generations and Culture, BTS will accompany Mr. Moon Jae-in to New York to attend the 76th annual session of the United Nations General Assembly. This event once again made fans proud of what their idols have done. From the early years of debuting in a small company in the industry, Jungkook has now become a global star, an honorary special envoy of the President of Korea. Through many difficulties on the path of pursuing art, Jungkook has been able to be proud of what he has achieved over the past decade. It is no exaggeration when he is always likened to be the golden maknae of the third generation K-pop. The achievement that the youngest BTS member received is completely deserved.